Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 12R, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and then select power off. And when the device turns off, we will hold power button and the volume up at the same time. After a moment, we should see the Mi logo on the screen, like this one, at which point you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up for a little bit longer till you see the recovery mode, like this one. Once you do, using your volume buttons, primarily volume down to scroll down, you want to select safe mode and then confirm it using your power button. And as you can see, the device is now in the safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so if you have downloaded any kind of applications, they will literally disappear from your screen right here. As you can see, there should be two apps right here, but it's just an empty space at the moment. And that is because these two apps wouldn't fall under like the default apps for Android, so they get automatically turned off. And from here you can just troubleshoot your device. Now once you're done troubleshooting your device and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you would need to do is hold your power button and then select reboot. When the device reboots, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.